what are you going to do now? It's the only question any of us ever have to answer. What should I do next? So this then is what I call the lenses of project management. And this overlaps beautifully with PMP and all the other ones, apart from one thing. So the lenses of project management, when you're a project manager, you should be looking at your project with these lenses all day, every day, right? And you've got the picture of this, right? So time, schedule, we call it, what's going to happen when. Quality, how are we going to catch the bugs, how are we going to make sure that things are, of a good quality. We're going to talk about all of these throughout the course. Cost, where we're spending our money, what are the costs, hidden costs of the project. Scope, how big is it, what are we actually delivering. Risk, and its big and little brothers, assumptions, issues and dependencies. And then the big stuff that we've all kind of put on this list, team, stakeholders, the people stuff, right? That's the real fundamental. But the one thing that PMP misses, and so many of these approaches forget about, is what I think is the most important part of it, which is prioritization. What are you going to do now? It's the only question any of us ever have to answer. What should I do next? Right? And making sure that you're working on, I'm going to talk about this a lot, high value, low effort things. Right? If you're working on high value, high effort things, is there some way that you can bring down the effort and make that thing easier? If you're working on low value things, you shouldn't be working on them. Stop it. Stop working on those things. Look for high value, low effort things. There's no correlation whatsoever between the amount of effort that the amount of value that something brings, the amount of effort that it takes.